Welcome to the how-to video series for Epsagon. In this video, we will see how to troubleshoot errors and exceptions in your applications using Epsagon. So the first step in troubleshooting errors is identifying and visualizing errors in your application. Epsagon gives you 4 to 5 unique ways to identify errors. Let's look at what they are. The first one is the service maps. The service maps gives you an entire architecture view for your application. Here you can see that there are some red arrows in your application. These basically represent the microservices which have errors in them. So for example, the request processor Lambda has a lot of errors in them, and then you can dig deep into why there are errors in them. Another great way to find out about errors is using the function screen if you're using AWS Lambda functions. Here you can see all the interesting events and errors related to your Lambda functions. If you're using Kubernetes, you can do the same. You can see all the metrics related to clusters, nodes, pods, containers, and deployments. And you can see if any one of them has error and then dig deep into them. Trace search allows you the flexibility to slice and dice depending on the particular filter. So for example, if I want to see an error associated with a particular application, I can just set that particular filter. Let's say the application is a block side application. And then I set the error flag to be true. Once I hit search, I should be seeing all the errors associated with that particular application. Dashboards give you quick access to all the important things that are happening in your application. You can use either one of the many dashboards that Epsagon provides out of the box. So for example, the application overview. Here you can see all the errors in your application in a quick view. Or you can also create custom dashboards using the trace search. Basically, once you have refilled your filters, just click on Add Chart to Custom Dashboard, and that will show up in your custom dashboard. Now, once you've identified errors, you'll have to troubleshoot them, right? So let's see how to do that. So if you go to Service Map screen, let's say you want to troubleshoot what's going on with the request processor Lambda. Click on it. You can see that Epsagon does a great job of correlating metrics with traces. So you can directly jump to traces over here. Once you click on traces, you get a pre-filled screen here, which essentially shows you all the traces associated with that microservice. You can see the successful as well as the error trace. Now we are interested in troubleshooting errors, so let's click on this trace and see what's going on. Again, Epsagon does a great job of correlating logs and traces as well. So you can see that for this particular trace, these are the logs, and you can quickly identify what exactly is going on. With Epsagon, you can also see the metadata associated with the trace, as well as the payload information. And these basically help you quickly identify and troubleshoot errors in your application. Finally, you can also create alerts based out of error types. To create an alert, click on the Create New Alert button, and then select the Lambda events that you're interested in, or the Kubernetes event that you're interested in, and then connect the channel of your choice. And that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in.